This 2015 Keystone Montana 3611 RL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Boerne, Texas, 78006 and is offered for sale by Ancira RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features a Java, Nightfall interior, sleeps 4, Slideout, and 66 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.